In this video, we'll explore the diagnostics menu in Jaltest. Understanding this menu will help you efficiently navigate through essential diagnostic functions and access the tools you need. Once in the diagnostics menu, you'll see a search bar at the top where you can quickly locate any action. For instance, if you type injectors, it filters all related actions, making it easier to find specific functionalities like injector tests or calibrations. The menu is organized to streamline your workflow. The top row includes simpler actions such as reading and erasing fault codes, viewing ECU data. Below that, you'll find advanced options like component actuation, where you can activate parts such as cooling fans or VGT actuator tests. Live data monitoring provides real-time values, which you can set alarms for if thresholds are exceeded. You'll also find system diagrams here to help visualize and interpret data like for fuel and after-treatment systems. System checks are essential for verifying vehicle performance. In the parameters section, you can adjust vehicle settings, like setting maximum vehicle speed or modifying the idle shutdown timer. For some brands, Jaltest also allows you to perform control unit updates with remote guidance from our engineering team. Finally, maintenance functions and calibrations. Here, you can perform critical tasks like particulate filter regeneration. With Jaltest Diagnostics Menu, you have dealer-level capabilities at your fingertips, making diagnostics both comprehensive and efficient.